Hello, I'm the Doctor, and as you know from the television show, I recently broke my Sonic remote. So, what I had to do was get a new one. This one's so cool. I gotta show you. Okay, so like you scan for stuff, and then like it pops open like that on the top. The TARDIS made it for me. Oh, she's a sweet girl, and so I'm gonna show you a few things that it does and how well it works and give it a review. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna turn off the lamp with this. Works like a charm. Let's say you had a long day at work and you don't want to walk the extra 12 feet to go get the remote and waste all your time and energy. Well, good thing you have your handy dandy sonic screwdriver. Works incredibly. You can even use it to play the Wii. It's incredible. I love this thing. Amy is locked to that room because she stole the neighbor's cat. And the neighbors want that cat back. Good thing I have this. Amy, give me the cat.